Donnie and Belle, iba ang nagagawa ng pag-ibig sa kanilang dalawa. Dahil sa scene na to, one thing is for sure, they will always have each other the support while internalizing the scene. Ganito sila bago sila mag-start sa kanilang scene. Grabe na talaga ang Don Belle, talaga pag may free time sila, nagka-quality time ang dalawa. Dahil ang ginagamit na bike ni Bingo, talagang sinakay niya si Belle na parang prinsesa. Naalala ko yung sabi ni Donnie, mag-drive lang and forget about your worries. Maybe like enjoy each other company, and I'll do that with her in real life. One of Don Belle's main love languages must be quality time. They see each other almost every day shooting scenes, but they still find quiet moments to spend with as Donnie and Belle. Whatever it's true, Viking rides, sangyup dates, food trip, and off-cam talks. At si Belle Mariano naman ay talagang naisingit niya na magpa-party sa kanyang Team Belle. Kahit sobrang busy niya, talagang gagawa siya ng paraan para maraming mapasaya at mapasaya niya ang mga kaibigan niyang Team Belle.